All right, I have another Art Snacks unboxing. Um, I know I've not been on and doing a whole lot, and work's been crazy, but I did want to show I am still coloring, I am still doing stuff. This should be finished soon. I just have some flowers to finish up, and I was gonna do not sure if I want to do like a silver frame or a gold frame or maybe a rose gold frame. And then I was going to leave the inside and then the outsides just the paper color. I've been using Artezas for like these color leaves. The rest has really been Prismacolor. The Arteza was these cream coral ones, but I've been doing that, did the double page spread. So I've been slowly working on stuff. But man, oh man, between Girl Scouts and ooh, sorry, I got distracted. Between Girl Scouts and work, I've just been like driving myself crazy, running myself ragged. I got another sticker, but I've actually got one. I put one on my little bullet journal here, and this I got this sticker I got from Laura Rafferty when I bought her Circle Portraits book. So I've been buying books, I've been coloring as I can, I've been trying to do stuff. I don't want to look at that because I don't want to spoil myself. So this is my first time opening it, if you couldn't tell by the Ecoline. Let's see what you are. I don't know if this is like an ink or if it's more like a watercolor. Curious. Very pretty color. I don't know if you can see in the sunlight. I already did the International Festival. It doesn't say what it is. Choking hazard, obviously. Liquid watercolor. Cool. That's a pretty color too, especially if it comes out like that. Very pretty. And now for the rest of it. Let's see. Get my fingers in here. The kids are playing outside. I am beyond tired. I was up at 8 a.m. for a thing today. Let's see what we got here. So this looks like just a pencil, an HB pencil, good for sketching. Why two HB pencils? They look the same. Why is one brown wood and why is one blonde wood? Swiss wood pencils. You'll find two varieties, one produced from dark beech wood and one from pine. Both are HB and impressive point retention. It says you can smell brown sugar on the beech wood. Oh my God, that is right. How cool though. Caran d'Ache, like it. I didn't get any paper with this one, so we'll just use this. So an Inkline King Art 05. Actually pretty thick there, if you can see that. Inkline, it's pretty blue. Actually, it goes with my theme this month in my bullet journal, which is, I can pull it up here. I don't want to show you my important dates, but that's what I drew this month. So that blue right there, that's kind of my theme color. So goes well with that. Cool. I like that color. It's a nice felt tip pen. It's waterproof, archival. It says it's a 0.45 millimeter tip, but it says 0.5 on the end there. So then an Ecoline brush pen. I've seen a couple people playing around with this. Ooh. This is not watercolor paper. Because I think it's rose beige, pink beige. Is this a watercolor? I didn't get a limited edition. Oh, I did get a limited edition Art Snacks anniversary pen. Cool. Anyway, liquid watercolor and pen. Let me get watercolor paper. So this is just my Aquarello Artistico. So I was doing a little thing here where I was trying to make a bird on a therapist couch. Well, it turned out okay. I'm not entirely pleased with it. It didn't have the effect I was going for, which is fine. It happens. But let's see. Can I pull this off, or do I have to? I'm gonna have to get my X-Acto knife. I should have been more prepared. I'm never prepared anymore. I'm never prepared for life or, you know, anything. There we go. So, bye-bye, birdie. Hello, fresh piece of paper. Put the lid back on my X-Acto so I don't kill myself. So yeah, so the brush, I mean, it's got like a very fine tip. Kind of like a Copic. Can do some pretty fine. You can also get a nice thick line. Which is really cool. Oh, that kind of blended into each other. It's not bad. Interesting. That's a pretty color. I like it. Brush pen is nice. Let's see. Now, what I'm just gonna do here. What is the bulbous little thing on the end? Just gonna put a drop. I'm gonna take, make sure the lid is on there nice and tight. I'm gonna take one of my, let's see, let's do this one. It's a Multau pen. The cappy thingy came off of it. So I'm just gonna take that, ooh. It's a pretty color, nice red. That fades into this really pretty pink. Curious how it'll dry though. Is it? No, it's gonna get a line right there. That's all right. So that's really pretty. It's a lot of watercolor though, let me just tell you. I mean, I still have Hydrus that I've never gotten more than 2 drops out of. That's a very pretty color though. I really like it. And then the blue, some wide-ranging colors. No real theme, it seems. So, the HB pencil. Bet you get a nice sharp point on that. Do some good sketching. It's not too hard, it's not too soft, it's just an HB. And the same with this. It's the exact same pencil with just a different color, which I find weird. I wish it would have been like, if you want to show off the 2 different colors, cool. But do like one hardness and one another hardness, or do a hard and a soft, or whatever. Not both HBs. But be a nice sketching pencil. Let me see how I erase this. This is that Faber-Castell kneaded eraser that I got in the last box. Oh, that erases really nicely, actually. As long as I don't press too hard on the paper. So just doing a soft. That erases almost completely. How cool. Not too bad. I'm curious, like this might be a good like lay down color. So just like lay down some color and then go over it with pencil. This I will use most definitely in my the book, oh my gosh, my brain is gone. You know, the book where I write down things, the bullet journal. Jesus, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. So I'll be doing that. This is really pretty. I really like that color. Ecoline. So I have two Ecoline products, it looks like. One is the Pure Liquid, and then one is the brush pen. I like the brush pen. I wonder how they would like, ooh, I wonder. No. So let me lay some down. Make sure I got enough water on there to do something. It doesn't really move. Yeah. Oh well, the thought was there. And I did not, I mean it moved just a touch, but like it did not get rid of that hard line. So that's what I got in my Art Snacks box. I think this is cute. I really like this little pen. Pin, not pen, pin. Very cool. So some Ecoline, a fine liner, brush pens, some pencils, a sticker. And that was my Art Snacks box for today. I would love to say I will see you on a live stream soon, but I really can't promise that. I really can't promise much of anything because I was going to not work this summer. And then they were like, but what if we give you a laptop to take home and you can just work from home? I was like, yeah, I guess I could do that too. So I will likely be working from home this summer. So if nothing else, I will see you for the next unboxing of some Art Snacks. And I do lurk around. I do pop in every now and then when I can. Now that Girl Scouts is kind of on its way, the cookies are kind of going away. I should be more available to do things and hopefully pop in a few more live streams or videos or whatnot. But love you guys. Have a good day, and I will see you next time. Bye.